Wow, I can't believe the LOL dolls let us use their house for a week. This house is sick, y'all. It's amazing. But you know what I want to do? I want to Hulk smash it.
Definitely not. They will kill us to death.
No, we are the Tiny Avengers, and we rule this house. Captain America, what should we do today? I'm so bored. Cool. Let's go check out all the bedrooms. Which one do you want to sleep in?
Game room.
Let's go down, guys. Come on, let's go. Oh, guys, look how cool this room is. What's in there, Black Panther?
You should come down. It's a video game room.
Calm down.
No.
I'll play you at foosball.
Okay. No, I would. Make it free. No, I said Spider-Man, not you.
Look, I don't know how those girls fit in this house. It's so small.
No, it isn't.
Okay, let's go into another room where there's more room.
No, it isn't.
Guys, this house is titchy. I can barely fit in this room. Where is everyone? Spider-Man, come in the kitchen. Let's eat something.
Okay.
Come sit down. You want me to make you a sandwich?
No, I will put one.
You want what?
Popcorn.
Popcorn?
Yeah.
Yo, Spidey, make some popcorn.
I don't know how to make popcorn. Neither do I.
Yo, Captain America, you know how to make popcorn?
No.
Get in the kitchen. Someone make the popcorn.
You can make it yourself. I know how to make popcorn.
Okay, get it.
Guys, I made the popcorn for everyone.
Yes, Hulk, we know. Let's go upstairs and check this telescope out. Yo, Captain America, check out this telescope. It's amazing, isn't it? Check what you can see.
See the moon, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranian.
What are those planets you're naming, Captain America? Never heard of them.
I'm the smartest person on the planet. So they're gonna be like, what? Why are we in our hell?
You know, I don't think this house is all that big, you know, for us to stay in.
So
Let's go back up to the roof. At least there's some air up there. Let's get the slide in. Yo, Spidey, what you doing? Come down the slide.
I can't.
Come down.
My arms are stuck.
There you are.
I fell down.
Have another turn. What? This is difficult, you know. Where you gone?
That trip was so amazing. You know that, girl. It was so much fun. Wow. Get in here, girl. Let's take a selfie. Oh my God. Have you seen the state of the house? Look at it. Oh my God. The Little Avengers have totally wrecked the house. Oh my God. Why are you doing that?
Girls, you're welcome. We looked after your house real good, you know. We're the Little Avengers. We always save the day.
Oh my God. You've totally trashed our house. Like, I can't believe we thought that you were going to look after our house and you've made it a mess. You know what? This just is not good enough, okay? You and your boys need to clean up the house right now.
Make the beds, boys, quickly. Come on. Yeah. Tidy up that room. Yes. The game room. Fix up that game. You've broken it. Yes. Clean up all the rubbish in there. Yes. That room looks tidy. Yes. Spider-Man, no time to go to sleep. Come on, get up. Hey, girls, we've tidied up the house. You're welcome.
No, sorry, but you are the ones that made it a mess. We're not going to thank you for tidying it up. Next time, you are not to stay in our house, okay? Now get the hell out of here. Get on, go on.
God, I can't believe we got kicked out of the LOL Doll's house. What the heck?
I'm gonna kick them out.
Where are we gonna go now, Hulk?
Sneak back in the house.
No, I don't think that's a good idea. Let's go find our own place to live.